opportunity to do an unboxing on this blower cam that's been in the box for about 20 years. I've never opened it. The guy that owned it before me never opened it. But I have someone who is interested in buying it. So I'm gonna open her. He wants me to check and make sure it's not rusty because he's gonna come from out of town. I don't see how it would be rusty, but you never know. So we're gonna have a look. And I don't have my tripod. So, okay. I don't know if anyone else has this problem, but keeping knives and two things in the garage: knives and tape measures. I swear I've got 20 of each, and if you can find one, maybe it's a good day. Oh, hey, there. Old trusty rusty utility knife, tetanus knife. It's just, I don't know. Good old-fashioned Harrison cam. I've always found that they do their advertised duration and everything. They're more conservative than a lot of the other folks, and you actually get a little more jam than what. Okay, this thing's side open. All right. Yeah, pop it on the end and slide it out. Yep, stick my fingers in front of the lens. Okay, I'm gonna have to put you down for a second. Leave you in the dark, take the plastic off, but it's like tissue paper, it's been on there so long. There's something interesting. Kamloops, BC. It's upside down. That's the can cover taped into the plastic. Let's get the speck on it. Oh. Let's see if this thing is all pitted and rusted from sitting 15 years. Ooh, sticker. Ooh, sticker. With an option. That's cool. Oh, look at this hand card. 284,306. Damn, do I want to sell this? Oh, there's exhaust. For degreeing your cam. Wow. Very cool info. Do we have a date? No one's dated anything. Warranty card. Station instruction. Okay. Important stuff. Ooh, what's this? Oh, padding. Drop this sucker. That's one thing. Okay. You ever drop a camshaft on the ground? Yeah. Don't on the concrete or something. Hard like that. I'm sure this fella's gonna see this thing out. It's good. It's not all rusty. Brand new. Never even had anything over these wolves. There. Fancy like that. Alrighty. That's the blower cam. I like the specs on it, but the heads I use, that I'm using for my build, I want more in the 5 to 525 lift. You know, flat tap it. Maybe as much as 600 if I go roller cam, but I don't think I'm gonna go roller. They're just way too much money. But yeah. I don't know. This is it's brand new. What's to be said? It's not all rusty from sitting in the box for 20 years. So that's it. One old camshaft unboxed. Talk to you later. I'm still healing up if you see my last video. I'm recovering from a mini stroke. Please like and subscribe. I'm starting to get it back out to the garage and fart around a little, which is good. And I will keep you posted. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.